Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Jesus. Well, I'm out of sniper ammo.
Luke, there's a... If you click this button here, it'll spawn in weapons.
Fucking
oh,
Christ.
Fuck!
I can't get out of the fucking lava.
Nice, Luke. I'm gonna mute you.
Luke! Did you make it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I had panic alt. I have the higher ground!
Dude, they are sending me fucking flying. Shit, Luke, we got crystalics here.
Got him, one of them.
They're no match for my level 35 gun.
How did this circle come in? Or like this?
Huh.
Damn.
Mother broke jokers, be quiet, John. Is there anything else I can take?
Smash. I can imagine this being really fucking hard on a higher difficulty.
Yep.
Ugh, shut it!
Where's Benny Del Negro at? There he is.
What are you calling it?
God, John, I'm just so sick of hearing you guys scream.
Luke, relax, alright? I'm almost high enough level to the point where I don't scream anymore. Oh, we could shoot his big dumb face. Oh shit, it's a crystal.
Oh my god. I shot once and
Oh,
I heard.
Fuck. Oh, it almost got me off again.
You fucked up my helmet though. Whose man's was that, man? He's out there roaming the wild by himself.
Sneaking up on us, man. We gotta be careful.
Maybe you.
Mom, so we're gonna name him Lowen, right? Leon Call. Oops.
John Chrysalis over there.
Oh,
How far?
gosh.
I'll run this. Yeah, I'll run south.
Look, my robot can get what he wants. Go in any store for any bag he wants.
Okay. Yeah.
God, my guns take so fucking long to reload.
Just book this. As long as you got me, John.
I have the higher ground.
Oh shit, it's right here. Is that a crystal?
The really sad part here is I have to take a shot.
Yes!
Oh, boys.
What up?
Hey.
Adam, PUBG got updated.
Again?
Yeah, like they brought in a new map with updates and stuff, so it's a little bit smoother now.
Nice. You know what else got updated? A fucking bank account, yo. Crypto's the future.
Did you buy one? Or how many
I
did you
bought
buy?
tons of shit, dude. I put so much fucking money into it.
Did you really? How am I seeing these guys? Holy shit.
Just over 24 hours, I've made $300.
Nice.
Who's ready to retire, boys?
I mean, if you can ride that wave, dude. Don't forget about me.
Oh wow.
I'm a mere $17,000 investment.
Shit.
Near.
Just kidding. Did not put in that much. Not even close.
Where'd my mans go? He wouldn't go downhill, would he?
Look at my guy killing everything in the background still.
You fucked up my vest. That nerd found me.
True. What we did, John?
How did filth see me, huh?
Let's see what else they got around here.
Oh my god, I gotta come in. Ooh, a challenger approaches.
I think those racks are infinite, so I don't think my robot's gonna go away.
Take a leak out my ass.
Hole.
I don't actually take a leak out my ass. It's
Oh.
at my penis.
What's wrong with your penis?
Ugh.
Lots of cunts. Whose mans is it?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Where's my mans go? Where's he going? Your boy's popping off, boys. Holy shit.
Luke, come here.
Oh god.
Luke, come here.
I hit my
Come here.
manager with time is just a social construct thing. They had no response.
Luke, here, take this. It's pretty good.
What are you talking to me?
The thing you just picked up, that class mod is pretty good.
Oh, what did I pick up?
You picked up something that like puts 800 points into your shield and then regenerates it faster. Luke, so we're in an infinite like loop for getting experience right now because these things just keep spawning. It's not a whole lot. We'd be much better off killing actual things, but. Alright, Luke, what do you want to do?
Same thing we do every day, John.
Do you want to go do the DLC? You want to
Let's go
start the
full
game over?
boost, man.
Chester's. Penis.
Penis.
Penicillin.
It's penicillin, Luke. Plural being peni.
John,
Your
just-
call, Luke. Take me
John.
away.
I don't want to start anything right now.
You don't?
No, just go beat Wolfenstein, man. No.
I mean, that's okay. I can go play Chivalry instead.
Why wouldn't you play Wolfenstein?
Luke, I take that game in small doses.
My guy! My guy! What are you doing with yourself?
I have not.
Well, I don't understand. My penis!
You guys are... This is all being recorded, by the way. If I win this game, I'm posting this shit on YouTube. So keep talking about your peanut, Luke. Like it's a...
My penis is a third world citizen. Avail Maya.
It's a product of your imagination as well.
What, Luke, is he telling you listen to that band?
He said their album that came out this year is pretty solid. My penis!
Will you fucking
Oh
shut
my
up? I'm in the...
God, Luke.
I'm in late game.
And your name!
Jeez. What song are you referring to exactly?
It's kind of soft. Can't listen to it anymore because he says my penance in your name. And now every time he hears a song, all he hears is me screaming my penance in your name.
Please. I have 10 painkillers with 10 kills today, guys. 3 alive.
Congratulations.
Thanks,
Wilson.
man. This is gonna be my
So be
first
afraid to
win.
OD and send yourself into cardiac arrest in the game and just roll over in the field and die.
Okay. I will.
What band is that, Luke?
I forget. It's some weird band that Ben listens to.
That Satracy? Satracy? Fuck, I googled my penis in your name.
Oh.
I don't think it's clean my own prison. I don't think that's...
That's not.
The robot's distracted.
I hate this fucking game.
Why?
This Fire Emblem game.
Oh.
I've gotten to such a high level. That was poetry.
Was that an easy 11 kill win? Fucking chicken dinner! Let's go, baby! God, second game too.
So you could win that?
Yes, because I couldn't hear him, and he was just walking around like a dummy out there. And when Luke finally shut up, I fucking found him.
So now you're gonna record my penis.
Keep saying it. It's still recording.